Okay, dear student, now we'll be dealing with CGST Act section 22 to 30, okay, which talks about registration under GST. Now tell me, how many of you are having PAN card? PAN card. How many of you are having? In first screen, I got only one answer, Haniksha. Second screen, no answer. Okay, यहाँ भी आ गया आंसर मुझे. So I need not have to struggle myself. So, one, two, okay, I mean almost 10 to 15% of the total strength. Okay. When you have got your PAN card, when you are born, like your birth certificate, then, I mean recently, okay, not like your birth certificate and Aadhaar card. Okay, okay, I just wanted these answers. Why so? और बहुत सारे बच्चों ने अभी तक नहीं लिया है. उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम है? कुछ बच्चों ने लिया है और बहुत सारे बच्चों ने, आपके पास ही आंसर्स है, उन्होंने नहीं लिया है. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? The difference is we all are the citizen of India, including them. But these guys who have written that they have the PAN card, they are SSC of India. I hope you understood with the concept of Income Tax Act 1961. Okay. They are SSC. They are registered now with Government of India. Okay. It is immaterial they have filed the returns. I don't know how many of you are filing the returns. Filing the returns does not mean you are making the payment of tax. There is nil return also, there is zero return also. Ethically, you should file the returns. But who will take bother? कौन ऐसा मगजमारी करे? सर जब भी पगार आएगा, when we will have white income, अभी तो सब ब्लैक का ही आता है, माँ बाप से लेते हैं और मजा करते हैं. वो ब्लैक मनी है आपके लिए, वो व्हाइट मनी नहीं है. जब आपके बैंक अकाउंट में आएगा और वो बैंक अकाउंट आपके पैन कार्ड से एसोसिएट रहेगा, that is the true meaning of registration. Your income with Government of India. And there is a specific alphanumeric number on your PAN card, okay, which defines the identity of SSC, which defines the identity of SSC. Understood? समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? Similarly, if you do the business, अच्छा, how many of you are having GST number? I mean GST registration? Any of you? None of you. But many individual, if they have their business, they have their GSTN. उनका GST नंबर रहता है. इसलिए आज जितने भी आपने टैक्स भरे हैं ऑफ योर वेंडर, उसका इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट बेनिफिट नहीं ले सकते हो. कल इन ड्यूरिंग प्रीवियस लेक्चर ऑल्सो वी हैड द डिस्कशन ऑन इट कि व्हेन फॉरगेट अबाउट अदर्स, लेट अस टेक अबाउट IRCTC जो सबसे ज्यादा आप लोग वापरते हैं. There also there is a provision and they are asking what is your GST number. We don't provide. But in spite of us, if the company is booking for their goods or for their people and they provide their GSTN number, so those extra what they have paid to the government, they are going to get and avail as a benefit of ITC, input tax credit. They are going to avail the benefit of input tax credit. So the day when you will have your own registration with Government of India regarding GST, you will also gain this benefit. We don't get because we don't have, neither we are filing the GST return also. आपने देखा रहेगा when we need to pay the file the returns, which was the subsequent things of time of supply. याद है? Time of supply decide the date of transaction, I mean from where you are liable, and your liability and your the date of payment of taxes as per section 39, 20th of the subsequent month. तो अगर इस मंथ का टाइम ऑफ सप्लाई है विच इज नवंबर, तो 20 दिसंबर तक आपको मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, इन फ्यू केसेस इट इज 15, इन फ्यू केसेस इट इज 10th ऑल्सो, दैट विल बी लर्निंग इन सेमेस्टर 6. सो इस पूरे मंथ का जितना भी टैक्स लायबिलिटी है मुझे 20 तक नेक्स्ट मंथ को पे कर देना है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. So these all are interlinked. Okay, why from 18 it was required for you to have the PAN card? Because next year when you will be employed by some employer, the first thing what they are going to ask, जैसे कॉलेज में एंट्री से पहले क्या पूछ रहे थे आपसे? आई कार्ड. अभी जिंदगी में जहां जहां जाओगे सबसे पहला चीज बोलेगा पैन कार्ड. Wherever there is a financial transactions are involved. Very important detail. Similarly, for the businessmen, it was required that they should have GSTN number, GST registration. So government has made certain rules. If you will, like आपके लिए क्या है, when you will start earning, when there will be on account payment for your salary, for your perquisite, for your commission, for anything, as an individual being. Okay, आज अगर हम लोग कैपिटल भी ट्रांजैक्शन करते हैं, कैपिटल एसेट का भी, वो भी हमारे बैंक अकाउंट में ही आता है, and we are liable to pay tax for that. Other sources things also comes over there. Salary to by default will come over there. So similarly, in indirect tax system also, like in direct tax system we have PAN card. Okay, irrespective, हाँ, कॉलेज का भी पैन कार्ड होता है, सोसाइटी का भी पैन कार्ड होता है, एंड कंपनी का भी पैन कार्ड होता है. आर यू अवेयर और नॉट? फर्म का भी पैन कार्ड होता है, इररिस्पेक्टिव, हाँ, सबका पैन कार्ड होता है एंड पैन नंबर रहता है. सिमिलरली इन जीएसटी देयर इज जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन. फॉर दैट गवर्नमेंट हैज डिसाइडेड, लाइक अभी सबके लिए क्यों पैन कार्ड जरूरी नहीं है? बिकॉज मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम हु डू नॉट हैव पैन कार्ड, they don't have income only, or their income is falling below the limit which you have learned in income tax act. वो जो 2,50,000 का लिमिट है, टैक्स स्लैब है, उसके नीचे आता है. दैट इज वाई फॉर देम इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. बट उससे ज्यादा अगर होगा, डू यू थिंक दे विल सर्वाइव विदाउट पैन कार्ड? नॉट पॉसिबल. उससे ज्यादा जो भी है सबके लिए पैन कार्ड कंपलसरी है. Similarly, here also they have fixed certain, exempted certain trader whose turnover is less. Okay, and they have taken up certain trader whose turnover is more. For them it is mandatory. अभी जैसे जिनका पहले सर्विस टैक्स था, वैट था, they had, I mean, earlier, whatever the indirect taxation numbers were having, they have been automatically converted into GST number. उनको by default registration मिल गया. So registration के कुछ criterias होते हैं, which we need to learn. So let me start with your chapter and section. So before that, let me revise also. This was your syllabus of semester 5. दिख रहा है? Indirect tax, levy and collection, time, place, value of supply. I think सब पढ़ लिया अभी आपने. Input tax credit and their computation, registration, which we'll be learning today. This is section 1 and 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5 is there for GSTN. 7 is scope of supply. 8 is composite and mixed supply. 9 is composition scheme. 10 is levy and collection of tax. Sorry, I think I have made a mistake. ये पहले आता है, composition बाद में आता है. This is 9 and this is 10. Am I right? Okay, थोड़ा इसमें उल्टा लिख दिया इन्होंने syllabus में. And 11 is exemption. ये तो मुझे याद है. 12 is time of supply for goods. 13 was time of supply for services. 14 was change of rate. Old rate follow करना है या new rate follow करना है? Yes. 15 was value of supply. For place of supply, we have studied something different than CGST Act. What we have studied? We have studied IGST Act. And in IGST Act, which section we have studied to understand place of supply? We studied section 12, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So till value of supply, and then 16 to 21, you were learning in previous lectures. Yaad hai? That was regarding ITC. So today we are going to learn 22 to 30. So again, this is a revision of entire syllabus of semester 5 as far as GST is concerned. Correct? Barabar hai? Okay. This all is there with you all. Let me go to the second last slide. ये सारी चीजें आपके पास है. ये स्लाइड ही आज अपने को पढ़ना है. What is there? You will see section 22 to 30 is pertaining to registration. But purposely I have not written section 23 over here. Because that promoting how a person is not liable or not required to register themselves. So जब भी registration की बात करेंगे तो not registration की बात नहीं कर सकते. So actually 22 to 30 registration related ही है. So you'll see I'll give you the notes as earlier also I used to give. CA and CWA, you'll find that is there. So what section 22 says of CGST Act 2070, you can take the screenshot. I think this is very self-explanatory. Later on you can make the format. ये थोड़ा change करना है, अभी आपको बताऊंगा. ये सारी चीजें मैं अभी आपको नई एक word file दूंगा जैसे ITC के लिए दिया था, and I'm going to discuss that. This has been revised last year. जैसे ITC में कैसे revision हुआ है, वैसे इसमें भी revision हुआ है, and recently also there was a revision. So person is liable for registration, which is there in section 22, और इसी पे ही question आएगा. Okay. If the aggregate turnover of supply increase under section 2 subsection 6, this became 40 lakhs, revise हो गया है, and this become 20 lakhs. general category and special category. Now, which state are there that I'll teach you this? Please don't take this. Whatever the word file I'll send you, please consider that. Okay. What to be include in aggregate supply? You take all taxable supply, import, export, intrastate, everything. What do you have to exclude? Reverse charge mechanism, CGST, SGST, UTGST. जैसे हम लोग when we were learning section 15, there also we have excluded this. Yes or no for value of supply. Similarly, so we'll have detailed discussion of then deliberation of section 22 in now 23 का I've already discussed. 24 is compulsory registration. For businesses, it is mandatory that they should have. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था जिनका सर्विस टैक्स का रजिस्ट्रेशन था, जिनका वैट का रजिस्ट्रेशन था, बाय डिफॉल्ट उनको रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ा. 25 is talking about procedure of registration. Okay. If there are different businesses, then separate registration is needed. 25(1) is talking about procedure. 25 is talking about different registration for different businesses. And 25(3) is talking about voluntary registration. 25(4) is talking about separate registration for separate district. This is how section 25 subsection are divided. Section 26 is talking about use of OID number. Section 27 is talking about registration of casual or non-resident person. यहाँ पे SSC word नहीं है. Entire indirect tax CGST you will never find SSC word. They always talk about taxable person, non-taxable person. SSC is not defined. 28 is registration amendment. Suppose you made the modification, you change your offices, you change your nature of businesses, then in such cases the amendments are there. Section 29 is talking about cancellation of registration. It's not like forever I can continue. Suppose I don't have business, I don't want to continue with business. Like अभी Reliance very soon you are going to see, Jet Airways very soon is going to see abolish, मतलब पूरा का पूरा खत्म हो जाएगा after all legal formalities. So उनको कैंसिल करना पड़ेगा उनका जीएसटी है, उनका कोई रिटर्न भरने का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. So cancellation is possible. And 30 is regarding revocation. Revocation मतलब अगर हमने कैंसिल कराया और वापस मुझे अभी सपोज नरेश गोयल वापस आएगा and they want to start again Jet Airways, that provision is also possible and available. So this is how section 22 to 30 is there regarding registration. Any doubt to anyone? Okay, take a screenshot and keep it for your notes. These are the changes which I was referring to. Achha, before this, that is why in indirect taxes you have to have the latest amendments kabhi bhi aata hai, and you have to deal with. And it's not like direct taxes that it will be applicable for next assessment year. In indirect tax, from the date of notification, जब government ने notified कर दिया, उसी दिन से apply होता है. Yes or no? So what just now I have discussed is there in this note which has been given to you all, but I don't want you to waste your time, money, energy for this. तो सारा चीज दिया हुआ है जो मैंने आपको बताया. सेक्शन 24 कंपलसरी रजिस्ट्रेशन 22 23 सारे डिटेल्स दिए हुए हैं. इफ यू वांट यू कैन रीड एंड एंजॉय. 23 मैंने क्यों निकाला था? आई टोल्ड यू. Yes or no? This talks about non-registration, not registration required. So when we teach registration, I cannot teach these things. Okay? 25, 26, 27, everything in detail. बहुत सारा pages है और सब time pass है. Okay? Everything is online. This system is so easy for indirect tax system. Everything online, just provide your details, automatically everything will be done. It is not so complicated as even PAN card. It is easier than PAN card. Okay. Now what kind of questions do you expect? वो मैं आपको बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि अगर एग्रीगेट टर्नओवर इंक्रीज होता है, सो वेदर देयर विल बी लायबल और नॉट. जो मैंने आपको 20 10 का लिमिट दिया था, नाउ इट इज 40 एंड 20. वैसे ही क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. इसमें तो सिर्फ ऑब्जेक्टिव है, मैंने आपके लिए प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस भी बना रखा है. सो विल बी गोइंग टू डील विद दैट दोस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आल्सो. ओके, understood? This was the theoretical implication of it. Now we are going to learn. These are the changes which has been compliance with registration even in 27 June 2020 has been updates took place. ये सारी चीजें मैंने आपको दे दी है. Okay. So there was old limit which has been exceeded from March 29, right? स्पेशल कैटेगरीज जो 10 लाख था वो भी एक्सीडेड किया. तो अभी जो नया लिमिट है वो कितना है, उसको जस्ट डबल कर दिया. 20 का 40 एंड 10 का 20. एम आई राइट? Rest all is as it is. Rest all things what was there in the table will remain as it is. Okay. Now there they have categorized in 4 category. Which can state or union territory who has opted the new limit of 40 lakhs? They are Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Delhi, Bihar, likewise. Normal category state who has followed the previous one. Okay. They are Telangana. Special categories who have opted the new limit, they are Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Assam. तो ये सब याद रखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. फॉर देम लिमिट इज व्हाट 40. हमको क्या याद रखना है 20 वाला. विच आर दो स्टेट, बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन माइट कंप्राइज दैट योर एसएससी माइट बी फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ दीज स्टेट. ओके, इफ दे आर फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, उत्तर प्रदेश, 40 lakhs इज देयर लिमिट. अभी अभी मैं वो क्वेश्चंस भी डील करूंगा आपके साथ. फॉर अदर्स इट इज 20 lakhs. That includes Pondicherry, Meghalaya, Mizoram, in fact all 7 sisters. Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur, Sikkim, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Am I right? आसाम उड़ गया ना यहां से. असम नहीं आता है क्या उधर? अच्छा, सिक्किम ऐड कर दिया है. सो दिस 7 सिस्टर, पौंडीचेरी एंड उत्तराखंड, उनके लिए क्या है 20 lakhs इज द लिमिट. फॉर अदर्स के लिए क्या है 40 lakhs एज द लिमिट. ओके. Other amendments are also there, which I have already discussed with you all. Everything to be included. And this is very small video. ऐसा नहीं जाता है. अच्छा, मैं स्मॉल वीडियो है 2 मिनट का. उसमें खाली बताया हाउ इट हैज बीन ट्रांसफॉर्म. हाँ आ गया ना. 1 minute 33 seconds. Done? So within 1 minute, you can understand entire concept. Okay. Now, which kind of questions, sir, is expected? So it's the same thing which we had discussed earlier. It's very important notes all the time I'm referring to. No, even in ITC we also referred, exemptions we have referred, right? Value of supply, there are so many good questions. Okay. Yes, this is aggregate wala. This kind of questions are expected. Okay, इनका पैन नंबर ये था, started their business on 6th Feb 2018. Their turnover is like this. Okay, so total supply is given. What I will make? Cumulative supply, 21 plus 32 plus 18 plus 16, and we'll find out. Aggregate is increasing or not. Okay, if cumulative is going up, where here they have crossed the limit, 10,64,000. Till here it is 7 lakh. Like you can recollect your residential status. You know, we used to literally add every day and we used to calculate 182 days हो रहा है या नहीं. Yes or no? अगर 182 days हो गया तो आप रेसिडेंट हो जाते थे. Yes or no? सिमिलरली यहां पे जैसे आपका लिमिट 40 lakhs 20 lakhs का हो जाएगा, डिपेंडिंग कि आपका एसएससी कौन से स्टेट से है. ओके, वो स्टेट जानने के लिए आपको क्या याद रखना है? ये पौंडीचेरी, मेघालय, मिजोरम, त्रिपुरा, मणिपुर, सिक्किम, नागालैंड, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड एंड तेलंगाना. इनके लिए क्या है? 20 lakhs. बाकी एंटायर इंडिया के लिए कितना है? 40 lakhs. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 एंड 10. इनफैक्ट आप जब भी नोट्स देखेंगे तभी भी हमारा 10 एंड एक्सेप्शन था. ये 10 स्टेट ही थे. इसमें एक दो इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज हुआ है. लाइक हिमाचल प्रदेश उड़ गया यहां से. ओके, वहां से पौंडीचेरी आ गया है. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर उड़ गया है. असम रहेगा, वो उड़ गया है. तेलंगाना आ गया है. सो पहले भी 10 स्टेट थे, अभी भी 10 स्टेट है. जिनके लिए क्या है? 20 lakhs. So when we will read the question, we will try to understand whether my SSC is from which particular state. Okay. If state is mentioned, okay. If it is not mentioned, then what we will assume? State of Maharashtra. And for Maharashtra, what is the limit? For Maharashtra, what is the limit? 40 lakhs. Bus, you have to mention, okay, total karke you have to mention whether they are liable to register. From which date they are liable to registered. है कि नहीं? ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये 10 लाख हो जाएगा. These are my condition. ये 40 lakhs हो जाएगा. These are known as special category state. These are known as other state. This limit was 10. Now it become 20. This limit was 20. Now it become 40. I will calculate the aggregate supply. Aggregate supply is coming. 1,20,500. So they are not eligible. So we'll write, from the above working note, calculation and aggregate turnover of supply under section 2 subsection 6 of CGST Act, we can see that Mr. Ravi is not satisfying the condition till 29th April 2018. So they will not be liable to registered. Okay. And if the limit is crossing, then what we will write? They'll be liable to register. Am I right? Is it any rocket science? I mean, this is the populist question in your entire syllabus. इससे इजी कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. ऐसे ही सब में ऐड करना है, एक टेबल बनाना है, एंड इफ यू कैन रिकलेक्ट एज पर एज ए डिवीजन इज कंसर्न, देयर ऑल्सो मैं सेक्शन 6 को रेफर करता था और फिर ऐसे कमेंट्स देता था. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस है. We like your, somewhere I have studied. देखो लिखा ना अरुणाचल प्रदेश. अभी समझ में आया? मिस्टर दास गुप्ता एंड गुप्ता इज इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश. सो अब अगर अरुणाचल प्रदेश दे दिया, वहां का लिमिट क्या है? अरुणाचल प्रदेश 20 lakhs. देखो ना, है ना? So sometime they will give you the state. So other than these 10 state, remaining 4 other state क्या होगा? 40 lakhs. Yes. अरे हाँ या ना? So kindly do all this question which is there with you all. आंसर भी दिया हुआ है, खाली आपको लिमिट चेंज करने हैं. ओके. और लिमिट में भी कोई बहुत बड़ा रॉकेट साइंस नहीं आया. 10 का 20 कर दिया, 20 का 40 किया हुआ है बस. ओके. और 20 किसको बोलते हैं? स्पेशल कैटेगरी स्टेट. और बाकी सबको क्या करेंगे? अदर स्टेट. ओके. So with this, we have concluded our entire syllabus. Okay. I made you such capable enough कि ये खाली add cumulative. I think we have done in RM also. We have done in maths also. Add करना किसी गधे को भी आएगा. BAF के बच्चे is far better than them. Okay. Add करके ढूंढना है कि 20 लाख कभी आया. जिस दिन से आया उस दिन से will be liable to register. नहीं आया, so they will not be liable to register. Other than special category state, 40 lakhs. 40 lakhs किस दिन आया? Will be liable to register. नहीं आया, they will not be liable to register. Clear? With this, all the section from 1 to 30 is over. Thank you very much for supporting. See, we being the teacher, we never be successful until unless student supports and student enjoy learning. So that's very much required. And thank you for entire journey. I think it is not easy task. Almost 6 months we are learning. June is about to approaching December. So I really enjoy teaching all the three divisions, particularly the student who are regular in the class. Okay. I tried my level best to make the things easier for you with the table, with other present. Lot many question I have given you as an assignment. We did every chapter. Highest मतलब मेरे लाइफ में इतना ज्यादा मैंने कभी प्रैक्टिस करवाया ही नहीं था. Most of the time assignment ही देता था. But during lecture also, because we have plenty of time, so we have utilized in a very productive way, and all varieties of sum we did. Okay, but you have to change your strategy because the question will not be of 15 marks. Now here the question will be of 1 to 2 marks. So in between things you have to do it. And okay, and in between things you have to read and appear your objective question paper. All the very best for your annual exam, and may all of you clear with flying colors. Getting good grades is very, very simple in this semester. Try to utilize in optimum manner. Still, only the syllabus is over. Relationship as a teacher and student is not over. You have full rights to ask any doubts anytime, whenever you feel, and show me the assignments wherever you find difficulties. I will also share the past papers, but that is not so fruitful and useful for you. Rather, I'll share you few questions, objective type of question which is there of TY, which will be helpful for you to practice. Thank you. Bye. Take care. And just be successful in your life. God bless you.